Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been over a year since I uploaded a video. That's kind of scary, but yeah, it's been over a year and I just decided to be back today. Why not? I really missed uploading my videos. It's really therapeutic for me. I really missed it and I just wanted to come back. So here I am. Today I'm going to talk about a magnificent skincare product. It is by a brand called Duvolle. I actually just have to state from the get-go that I was sent this item and they asked me to do a review video of it. So basically that's the crack. So yeah, I've tried this item and I love it so much. So I'm just going to show you the system and talk to you about it and just show you how I use it. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. So I just keep my skincare system in this little pouch. I got that lovely brush. I got a lovely brush set in this wee pouch. It's lovely. It's pure velvet. It's so nice. Basically what you will get whenever you order the Radiant skincare system is a brush, an electronic brush, and these are the brush heads. So there's a body brush head, so that's pretty big if you can see. So yeah, the size here. I used this for my face the very first time and I was like, Eileen, what are you doing? All my hair was catching on it. It's just too big for the face, but it's nice for the arms and the chest, maybe, whatever. So yeah, that's the body brush. This is the pumice stone, as you can see. So yeah, it's a pumice stone. So and now I've dropped it. So yeah, you just use this to remove hard skin on your feet, maybe, stuff like that. So that's really cool that they included something like this. And here is the two mini brush heads that I use for my face. So this one is for cleansing. It's kind of really soft and you can see there. And this one is for exfoliating. It's actually it's a lot harder than this one. As you can see, it kind of, there's a bit more depth into it. So I like to use the cleansing head whenever I'm washing my face in the morning. I would use this for a few minutes, and I use the exfoliation head 2 or 3 times a week whenever I just want to get rid of my dead skin, or if I'm really dry patches or whatever. Obviously you couldn't use this every day because it sensitizes your skin if you keep taking away the dead skin cells every day, but 2 or 3 times a week is more than enough. So I use this 2 or 3 times a week with like a little scrub. My favorite scrub is from Nip and Fab, and there's a really nice scrub too from Soap and Glory. I got that for Christmas, so yeah, I really like that one too. It's like a skin polish, I think that's what it's actually called. But yeah, so I just pop a bit of product on my face and buff it in with this. And I'm going to show you now just a quick cleansing routine with the brush, and then I'll be back to talk more about it. So I like to wet my face just a wee bit. As you can see, my face is just a bit wet. I just like to dampen it a bit with water. And then I get whatever facial wash I'm using and I just pop that literally all over my face. I don't rub it in, I just leave it sitting. My hair bees all over the place too. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna pop on a headband so my hair doesn't get ruined after I put this on my skin. So literally I just pop it all over. Then I grab my skincare system brush and then I let it run under the tap for a few seconds just to get it a bit wet so there's not a lot of friction, because if it's dry it's going to be like tugging on your skin. And then I just get to work. I let it work for maybe about 1 or 2 minutes and I'll show you how now. and then I just rinse my face with cold water. I just throw water all over my face, and you'd be better off with your hair tied because the brush is obviously rotating, so whatever is about is going to be swept up in the brush, so you don't want to get your hair caught. So now I'm just going to go and rinse my face with some water, and I will be right back. So now I'm back. You can see my skin is obviously a wee bit red from using the brush because my skin is so sensitive that anything I use, even when I use my hands to wash my face, I become red. So never mind my skin being weird and sensitive, but just look at the difference. It makes your skin glow a bit as well. It's beautiful. That's obviously why it's called the Skincare Radiance System, Eileen. Get with it. Anyway, I just love how it makes my skin feel. I love how it makes my skin look. It is very soft and it feels so clean. The same thing happens whenever I use the exfoliation head. It just makes my skin feel so soft and it feels unclogged, kind of, if that makes sense. It feels so soft and beautiful and radiant. I really like how this brush makes my skin feel. The proof is in the pudding, to be honest. I know you can't see or feel or know that what I'm saying is right, but honestly, like, you can even see the difference in my skin from before to now. Right? So yeah, I will leave the links below. Click them and go and have a look at the Duvolle website. They are amazing. The skincare system is the bomb. And it's obviously a lot cheaper than a Clarisonic or whatever. So if this is your first time buying one of them skin brushes, I would actually try this one first because it will not let you down. It hasn't let me down. So yeah, I love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out the Duvolle website. Thank you so much for watching.